What is going on? And it's currently 6 p.m. We are done with the workday. I just came back from the gym, had a great workout. As I'm trying to get back into the whole going to the gym consistently thing, I learned that just doing classes is a lot easier for me because I don't really have to think about what kind of workout I'm going to do that day. And I get to be around other people who want to work out as well. So you kind of building community and working out at the same time. So joining Lifetime, although the membership can get a bit expensive. It can get a bit expensive, but honestly, it's worth it if you take advantage of all their amenities. Like you're going to the sauna, go to the steam room, you're actually building community, you're playing pickleball, you're playing tennis or basketball, you're doing the actual workout classes. Like you're gonna get your money's worth if you actually be consistent in that thing. And that's what I love about Lifetime so much. And honestly, today was one of my best workouts. Like I think I burned, hold on, let me check. I think I burned like 722 calories in 1 hour. So 1 hour session, I burned that many calories, which is insane. Honestly though, I blame my job. I do. I blame my job. Today, I came in there with a different type of energy because in the workplace, it was not a good day. Let's just say that it was not a good day. And I just took out that frustration and anger in that workout and it showed. Oh my gosh, it showed. I think, I think moving forward, I'm going to start working out after work because on those days where it may not be the best day, you still have some like built up frustration. You can go take it out working out. You see, in the morning, you don't have that. But at night, you can really go home and not have to worry about work no more because you left it all, you worked it all out. And I think that's what I want and that's what I like. As I'm building out my new, routine that I do every morning, I think working out at night is going to be a better fit for me. But I don't know yet. We're still building out. We're still seeing, still testing it out. We just started. We just moved here to Dallas, and I already feel like I've been hit with so many obstacles. But I can't complain because I'm so blessed to have my own apartment. I'm so blessed to even be here in Dallas that I'm just going to take full advantage of the opportunity. Everything may not seem like it's aligned right now. We're working out, but we're still in early phases. We're still in the early days. And bro, you got four walls and a roof and you're by yourself. Like that in itself is a blessing. So I don't know, man. I'm excited. I also went to a store called Wild Fork. I'm not sure if you ever heard of it, but I've heard good things. They got a great selection of vegetables that are flash frozen. So apparently, allegedly, they're a bit better. So let me show you what I got so far. I'm trying to get more into cooking at home. So what I did was I got a bunch of sides. So I got some green beans, I got some sweet potatoes, I got some asparagus, and I got some Brussels sprouts. Now, you know me, when I was in Florida, I used to go to the butcher probably once a month to get like 25 pounds of ribeye. So I have like 22, I'll have probably like 22 to 23 steaks every single month, and that'll be my only meal for the month. So I'll just eat one big meal for the day. But in Dallas, I want to try something new. I want to try to eat more greens. Although I did used to eat avocados with it and broccoli, I want to incorporate different greens and different things outside of just steak. Also, I haven't found a butcher yet. I may just go to Wild Fork again, just get some steak from them, but I haven't found a butcher in Dallas that can give me what I need and what I was getting in Florida. I also got this lemon butter sauce. I don't know what this is, but it sounds good. It sounds actually quite delicious. And the cool thing about things being flash frozen, there are some times where you go to the grocery store and there are some times where you go to the grocery store and you buy like mixed vegetables and you buy whatever you buy in the frozen aisle. You may go out to cook it, and when you dump out all the vegetables, you may see it all in one big clump of like ice. With Wild Fork, when their things are flash frozen, you're not gonna get that. You're gonna see everything individually frozen, so you're not getting any wasted weight or any wasted water weight inside your bag. It's just going to be each individual item flash frozen, and it keeps more nutrients in it, allegedly, and it tastes better, allegedly. So I'm definitely going to try these out. I also got this risotto that is also flash frozen, and it serves four, so I'm going to be able to eat this for 4 meals, which is good. And I got this beef tallow mashed potatoes, and all of this whole thing was probably like $30. Yes, $30. That's it, which is extremely cheap. This probably will last me a week, maybe a week and a half. And this is just size. Now the only thing I really got to worry about is the actual protein, which honestly shouldn't be too hard. Right now, I am leaning heavily on HEB to give me my protein. So let me show you what I got from them. I got this stuffed salmon. I had this yesterday. I had to get it again today. It is absolutely delicious. And I got these loaded potato boats, which also is good. So this meal in total cost me $19, which honestly isn't bad. So in the event I just buy purely pre-made meats over there at HEB, it'll cost me probably $17 per meal or $15 per meal, because I wouldn't need to buy sides anymore because I have all this. But not only that, I got some pre-made meals as well. So I got this chicken Alfredo that is pre-made, which has 51 grams of protein. I got this steakhouse salmon, which is 32 grams of protein, and it only costs $8, which is actually insane. And I got this New York strip steak, which is $13, which honestly isn't bad either. It comes with a potato and also comes with asparagus. And it's just making my whole meal prep process a lot easier. It's making it easier for me to eat different variations of meals throughout the day, so I don't have to only resort to eating one meal a day, which is typically in the past steak, eggs, and avocado, and maybe some broccoli. That makes don't even sound, it doesn't sound right, but I'm telling you, it hits. I want to break away from the shackles of ribeye steak. I want to eat more things. Wild Fork also has elk, and they also have bison, which is something that I definitely want to try. So in my next shopping haul, I'm definitely going to be trying some elk. I'm going to be trying some bison. I've heard good things. They also got alligator. They also got duck, which are things that I like eating. Well, not the alligator. That's fancy. That's new. That's different. But duck, I love duck. Duck is amazing. But nah, man, I'm definitely excited to go throughout this journey in Dallas. I feel as if I'm going to be job hunting again soon in Dallas. And once I get some clarity on that, I'll definitely let you guys know. It's honestly an insane story that maybe I'll share, maybe I won't, just depending on the situation, what happens. So we will see on that. But now I am about to go take a shower and eat and call it a day. Today has been a very long day. We've been up since 6 a.m. Yeah, it's getting late. It's getting late. So it's almost my bedtime. Normally I'll be playing pickleball right now, but honestly, I forgot my paddle at home and I'm not going back there. I'm gonna be honest. But one thing I do like though about living here is that I am so close to the gym now. Like before, when I paid for Lifetime, I was probably 45 minutes away from the gym. And I would make that drive there every day. Now I gotta drive maybe 6 minutes, maybe 8 minutes. And it's a lot easier. And I can go to the gym more consistent now because I'm already there. So that is one thing I do truly like about living in Dallas now. And the location I live in, it is so convenient because everything is nearby. We got HEB, which is 6 minutes away from me. We got Wild Fork, which is probably maybe 8 minutes away from me. We got Whole Foods. No, not Whole Foods. We got Sam's Club, which is probably 10 minutes away from me. And the Sam's Club gas. If you a Sam's Club member, you know that gas be cheap. They're also like 10 minutes away from me. So we got everything really nearby. We got Target, we got Home Goods. Everything is so nearby. Like I can really, I don't need to leave, honestly. Like everything is so close, which is very beneficial. I used to drive long ways I used to drive 45 minutes from my butcher. I used to drive 45 minutes to go to the gym. It's just too much. Here, I'm not do all that. So although things are looking a little bit rocky, I'm still excited because I know that everything is going to work out the way that it should. And you just got to keep going, man. Keep moving forward. You can't worry too much about what's going to happen 2 years from now, 3 years from now. Focus on today because tomorrow is not promised. That was a bar. Okay, I am about to go take a shower. Actually, no, I'm about to head out to my balcony. I made a promise that I'm gonna do 100 push-ups for the next 30 days, so I gotta go knock that out. And I probably should have did this in the morning because working out, playing pickleball, and then doing 100 push-ups is not ideal, but you already made a promise, so you gotta do it. You gotta do it. Okay, I might do these push-ups, knock them out. I'm about to go eat and call it a day. Yeah.